All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their mini work light. As you can kind of see on the box here, he's got it clipped on his shirt pocket and it's still providing him light. So this could be very helpful for people working on cars or maybe under houses, stuff like that. Not a lot going on the box. Portable work light 1-pack. So let's open it up and take a look at it. That's it for the box. So we have, wow, looks like a real, yeah, look at that, a real user's guide telling you what everything is, how everything works. Very nice. And then over here we have an included USB Type-C cable. That's to charge this up because this is rechargeable. Doesn't take batteries, so you don't got to buy those annoying things all the time. And then this is the actual light. So here on this side is your USB-C port for charging it. And then there's nothing else over here. There's nothing on the top. This side just has your power button and the back has your clip while the front has your COB light. Now the bottom does have a little magnet. So that's pretty helpful. And so you just press this button to turn it on once you've charged the device. And then like the photo kind of demonstrates, you could have this in your shirt pocket. It'd be giving you some brightness while you're standing and working on whatever you're standing on. Like I said, probably good for plumbers, mechanics, somebody who has a job that gets into a dark space or that they may need light. So again, thanks to this company for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.